they are connected end to end and to form a square ABC. This means we have to first draw the circuit diagram. So first we say we draw this diagram. So it is AB. What is its value? 2 ohm. Now end to end means another end we start from here. The third one is connected here. The value is again 2 ohm. This become point C, and then again 2 ohm. This is your D point, and this is. It is in the form of square. To take it all this once. Now problem is, this is your board exam question CBSE 2011. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the combination between any two adjacent corners. It is difficult problem. Here given is to calculate the effective resistance. क्या निकालना है?
Effective strength.
लेकिन to find out effective resistance we need the two endpoints. So here two endpoints are given between any two adjacent corners. तो बताओ इसमें adjacent corner कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं?
AB, BC, CD and DA.
D. Or we have to calculate the resistance between these two adjacent corners से. वो कह देता opposite corner. Same question को आप कर सकते हैं to find out the effective resistance between opposite corner. In this case, A and C or B or तो जहां भी आपको चाहिए battery will connect it between these two terminals. It means if you connect it, here we not necessary to connect it because we are not interested to calculate I. But if we interested to calculate I also, so we need a battery. So in this situation, battery will connect it between it. This is extra point. I say it in P. But in the case of opposite corner, we connect the battery between A and C. Then or between B. So now tell me कि कौन कौन से resistors are connected in series and which one are connected in parallel in this situation. Our aim is to find out the effective resistance between two adjacent corners, say between A and B. तो बताओ इसमें कौन कौन से resistors सीरीज में कौन से पैरेलल में? सब सीरीज में. Now these two become an end point. So these three resistors are connected in series. We can draw an equivalent diagram. We can say like that. This is the resistor. This point is A. This point is B. It is 2. And this your one point. Another point of resistor AB connected the first point of DC. So we can say this AD, DC and CB are in series like that. This point become AB, then BC, then CB. So these three resistors are in series, and this B point and B point common point, they are connected. This just like a B is here. And this A and A is common point. So this is it's become these three are in series with parallel to this one. चारों series में नहीं है.
This can be done with any of the resistors then.
Any of the resistor? Yes, हमने but it is given in the question that two adjacent corners. If you choose these two adjacent corners B and C, then these three resistors are in series and this is in parallel. If you choose C and D, then these three resistors are in series and then this. इसलिए मैंने कहा मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा. If you choose these two corners, these three resistors are in series and then this parallel. But in the case of opposite corners, these two are in series, these two are in series, and then they are parallel.
Parallel to each other.
Then question. So it's please read the question carefully before solving. Now it's so simple. This is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm. So what is the value of 2 plus 2 plus 2? It is 6 ohm. So again we can draw an equivalent diagram, it's become like that, simple like. One resistor here, another is here, and this is our A point, this is our B point. Between A and B, it is 2 ohm, or this complete become 6 ohm. Now we apply this formula, Rp is equal to R1, R2, this. We can calculate this. Effective resistance of given combination at the two adjacent point is 2 into 6 upon 2 plus 6 is equal to 12 upon 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12 equal to 1.54. So this one I solved with the help of diagrams, but mathematically also we can solve it. How? If this circuit is equivalent to this, so first we have to calculate this resistance. So resistance between, we can mark this point A. This is your B and C. So R, A, B, C, D. This means A, B, C, D. We are interested in this. If I write down like this, so this is equal to R, AD, this is your AD point, plus R, DC, plus R, CB. So this is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 ohm.
Then we have to draw this equivalent diagram.
Then you draw the equivalent diagram, this extra part, and then Rp is equal to this. So effective resistance of the square ABCD when we are taking two adjacent corner is given by directly equals. Now stop.